Okay. Survival on plant on crazy days, mold colonies. Forgot about you, primal sunflower. Keys. Okay then. Nah. Okay, what should I get? Okay, be right back. These are plants I'm going to pick. Hello everyone, the Retro Gamer here, and we are back to Plants vs. Zombies 2. When we left off, we actually got two levels, and we actually used bowling balls. As in balls. Oh boy. Oh no, 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 no. How about you get this? Wait, I forgot. Should I? Yeah, I think I should. I feel like using it. Use it. You need your vitamins. Oh boy. Oh boy, then. Here we come. Tons of turds. Turds are everywhere. Raining turds. Definitely raining turds. Okay, let's see. Who gets it first? Who eats the magic golden turd? Oh, what am I doing? What am I saying? Oh wait, I'm talking about turd. First, I've been weird like plants. This is weird. This is getting the most weirdest thing. Yep, I'm definitely talking about turd. That was a horrible mistake. I got an idea for you. If that guy can load. Yes, it works. How about this? Magical flying turds everywhere. Oh my goodness, you are seriously hurt. You are extremely injured. Nice. Nicely done. Nicely done. Get him. Nicely done. Curiosity. True nature's insanity. come on. Turd launchers. Yes! Only a few plants to spare. The green slimes are happy too. Oh my goodness. I think we're going to make it. I think we're going to win. Are we going to win? I'm not sure. But let's go to Zen Garden. We can get some gold. Get some gold. Digging for gold. Today we'll be digging for gold. Gold. Oh boy. Let's continue. Who knows what we're going to run into? Now we use the actual plant itself. Okay, so the blue ones are the weakest. The light blue ones are the weakest. The blue one's a little stronger, and then the orange one's the strongest. So that's what it looks like. Yay! Just constantly. Yay! Bowling for bowling shoes. Now it destroys an entire zombie. Get rid of you. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. This is entirely crazy. Okay, be right back. Man, there are just so many zombies. It's just insane. Oh my goodness. Overpower. Too much power. Power. Yes, you can plant them on lily pads. It's been a while since I used these guys. It's been a while since I played around with these guys. Having fun. Having fun, aren't you? Just stop him. Never mind. Get him, get him. Yes. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Okay. Basically, yeah. We're just one level away to get this bowling ball. Multiple zombies. This is useful. Okay, this is level 11. There's the where we get the key, but we're not going to go to the next level yet until I complete this. Oh my goodness, I remember this path. Oh my goodness, I remember all of this. Oh my. We have till level 32 till we're going to fail miserably. Here's the... What is this? The endless zone. That's the endless zone. So guys, I'm actually going to end this off here right now. If you enjoyed this video, comment down what I should do next after this. I did a new series. I'm going to start a new series about survival and raft place. But till then, I am the Retro Gamer here, and I'll see you later. Bye.